Hello and welcome to Lesson 10 of Database Design and Development for National 5 Computing Science. Last time we created these 4 queries. Today we're going to do queries 5 and 6 from this list of 10 queries. We're going to show the names of all dogs that are of breed Rottweiler sorted in ascending order of age. So let's crack on with that one. To create a query, we go Create, Query Design, SQL View, get rid of that semicolon, and in this case it's dog names we want. From the dog table, we want the breed to equal Rottweiler, and we can double check that that works. Beautiful. But in this case, we want to sort it by a certain sort order. Here it says sorted in ascending order of age. Now, just to double check that the sort works, I'm going to include the age here. And when I run it, here we can see all the ages. But at the moment, it's not sorting at all. So how do we sort in SQL? This is where the 4th keyword comes in. In fact, it's 2 keywords, order by. In the course specification, we can see order by right here with a maximum of 2 fields. This one is only on 1 field. This is order by age. And by default, Microsoft and all SQL database management systems, the default sort order is ascending order. So this is going to go from the lowest age up to the highest age, and we can run this and see. We've got the lowest ages at the start, working our way through to the highest age. So Blossom, Hannah and Muffin, grand old age of double figures there. But it might be better if you explicitly state that it is ascending order. This makes no difference to this query. But if we wanted to sort in descending order, we would have to write DESC. DESC for descending. There we have it, going downwards. So if you leave it just order by age, that does ascending. If you want to be explicit about which order, ASC mentions ascending. If you want to do descending, DESC, descending. So this is query 5 complete, this bad boy here. Query 5 complete, but it doesn't ask for the ages to be shown. Here we see show the names of all dogs. It only says the names. So we're only going to show the names. So we'll go back to the query, get rid of the age, and we know that it is sorted by age, but we don't need to see that just now. Save this bad boy. Query 5. There we go. Let's go into query 6. Show the names of all dogs sorted in descending order of breed, then in ascending order of age. Now this doesn't have any criteria. We just want to show all dogs no matter what. That's very easy, but it's this sorting part that I'll need to explain. So let's create the query. We'll go to Query Design. We'll click the SQL. We'll get rid of that. We want to select all the dogs. Does it say the dog names? The names of all dogs. Yes, it does. So dog underscore name from the dog table. And there is no where because we just want all the dogs. So we don't need to include a where. We can go straight to the order by. Now, in which order does it ask for us to sort this? Descending order of breed. So we'll just say breed, DESC. So that'll do it in descending order of breed. Here, we can't tell that it has been sorted. So in this case, I am going to include the breed. Let's just double check. There we go. So Yorkshire Terrier down to Staffy. So it does go from Y to S to SP, SI. There's lots of S breeds, aren't there? And then into the R's and then the P's, more P's, and then L's. So it is definitely in descending order of dog breed. Let's go back to the top. But how do we also sort it on ascending order of age? Well, here we go back to our query and we just add a comma and we add the field that we're sorting it in. And we could just leave this as it is because by default it's ascending. I do like to be explicit and state ascending order. Now, if I run this, again, I'm not going to be able to tell that these are secondarily sorted by age. So I'm going to include the age field just for testing purposes. Now look at what happens. Now it looks like it's going ascending order. We start with 1, 2, 2, 3, and then it gets up to 17, and then it goes back to 1. The reason is it's because it's the second column of sorting. Here it's breed first and then age. What happens is if the breed is equal, we sort by age. But then once we've come out of this breed, we go to the next breed. We then go back to sorting by age within the breed, if that makes sense. So it's like this breed is its own little sort of category of query here, and within this breed we have sorted by age. For the next breed, we've sorted those ones by age. Hopefully that makes sense. I think I explained it in probably the worst way possible, but you get the idea. And that, as far as sorting goes, that's basically all you need to know for how to do a query with a sort order. We've sorted on one field for the query 5, on 2 fields for query 6. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.